Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we can discuss about question number 26, that is remove duplicates from the sorted array. In this, they have given the integer array nums, which is sorted in non-decreasing order. So, in this question, our task is to remove the duplicates by modifying the array because they are given in place. So, we no need to create a new array, but instead of that, we only modify the given array and return the result as the given array. So, and also the main important point is the relative order of the element should be kept as same. Here, the order of the element should be kept as the given order, but we need to delete the duplicates in the given array. For example, in the for example 1, in the input is given as 1 1 2. Here 1 is a duplicate element, so we delete 1, any one of this one element, and so the resultant array will be 1 2, and the second index may be anything, it may be anything. Similarly, for the example 2, we delete 1 0, 2 ones, 1 2, and 1 3. See, here we delete, so that the resultant array length should be 5. We only give the output is 2 because the number of unique elements in the given array, and also in the example 2 the output is 5 because the number of unique elements in the given array is 5. It is so simple and straightforward. You can see my code to understand the code. Here I taken two pointers, one is I and second one is j. So in the for loop, I run from j equal to 1 to size minus 1. You can also use here, if you think that L is the size of an array, then you iterate from j equal to 1 to j less than n and j plus plus. Whenever you found an duplicate element, because how we find a duplicate element in a sorted array, duplicate elements are adjacent to each other, just like you can see in example 2. If the array contains a duplicate elements, then the duplicates elements are adjacent to each other. See here, two zeros, here 0 has, here in the example 2, 0 is a duplicate element and it is besides of the original 0, and also all the ones are at the consecutive indices. So um, whenever we found the two elements are same, then we consider those elements are duplicates. So here in the for loop, I wrote an if condition where if both the two elements are not equal, then swap them. uh, you can try it out by. So in this, we iterate from j equal to 1 to 10. 10 is nothing but the size of the input array nums. So whenever and initially we kept I equal to 0. So whenever we found that two adjacent elements are not equal, just like in this if condition, we swap them. So let me decode this code. See, for the first iteration, j equal to 1. From j equal to 1, here j equal to 1 means this, and I plus 1. I plus 1 also equal to means nums of I equal to 1 and nums of nums of I equal to 0 and nums of j equal to 0. Here both are same, so we does not go into the for loop. Sorry, we does not go inside to the if condition. So we continue with the next iteration. Next iteration, j equal to 2. When j equal to 2, this if condition true. So we swap 0 and 1. We swap 0 and 1. So now we will increment the ith position. So then I equal, initially I equal to 0. I wrote down here, I equal to 1. Now I becomes 1, and then next iteration j equal to 3. Now now nums of I equal to nums of j. So the if condition, so the we does not enter into the if condition. Next iteration I equal to next to j increment, so j equal to 4. Here also the if condition false, so next iteration j equal to 5. Now the if condition is true, so we swap here 2, and here it becomes 2 and it becomes 0. So again, now now in the if condition, in lastly we increment the I. So I is incremented to 2. So and the next iteration j becomes 6, and in this the if condition is false. So next iteration j becomes 7. In this the if condition becomes true. So here we swap this 1 and we play with this 3. So we swap the elements, and next once we swap the elements, we increment the I value. So the if condition over. So next for loop, next iteration j equal to 8. In this the both the elements are same. That means the if condition becomes false. So next iteration we go to the next iteration. Next iteration means j equal to 9. In this the if condition becomes true. So here 1 is swapped with 4. So then the I value is incremented to I plus 1. So I becomes 4. So now we will finally return I, because in the I we return. So in this, by this approach we can easily solve this question, just like I wrote here. Same approach I wrote, and I have submitted. It will successfully submitted for me, so you cannot successfully submit it. This is it is the sample C++ code for this question. You can, if you want Java or Python or any language, you can comment down me in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching. If you feel this information is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.